Hello guys, we have passport now guys, so later we will travel to India and Bahamas. We will go to Bahamas and we will go to Canada, Italy, China. So see you later guys. Bye. Hello guys, magpahinga muna tayo saglit guys kasi medyo nahilo ako guys. I drink Panadol and Claritin for my allergy because I have runny nose today when I woke up, and then I have a headache before I come here to work. So now we will wait. The program will start maybe around 9:30 or 9. So lalabas tayo mamaya guys. Okay, see ya. Transition ulit. So guys, it starts now. So our passport is ready. We will start to travel. And Tutut is there.
Where is my passport?
Yeah, we forget you. Sorry. Guys, nandito tayo sa Bahamas. Ang gulo nila. Wala kaming sticker. Kala sticker?
Where's the one that they sticker?
Hello guys, nagkagulo na sa Bahamas guys. So babalik tayo mamaya. So meron sila dito guys. Bahamas yun an island. It's a very nice island. It's a tourist spot. So guys, nandito na po tayo sa Canada guys. Ayan na. Nakuha na tayo sticker. Hanggang sticker lang. Saan pa? Ikot po tayo. Punta tayo sa China guys. Let's travel to China. Finish in Canada. Ni hao. Ni hao ma. Sana yung nagbibigay ng sticker te.
Wala, andali pa lang sila.
Andun sa teacher. Yan guys, 3 bansa na yung napuntahan natin.
Bakit hindi nyo kami binigyan ng ganito?
Kumuha ako doon sa gilid. Balik ka doon. Ang ginagawa namin dito guys, nagnininok lang kami ng pagkain. We rounding and ask them if they give food, we take it, or chocolates. Na, kuha ka doon sushi. As the sticker. Ayan, nakakuha ka na.
Magaling ka na, okay ka na.
So guys, we will go to other country. We will fly now. We will travel here to... What's this? Italy? Thailand? Oh, don't forget your stickers. Amod, give us stickers, Amod. Ya Habibi. Guys, nagkagulo na dito guys. 4 na bansa na yung napuntahan natin guys. Ito palang nakuha natin yung pagkain guys. Ito palang naninok natin. Okay, see you later guys. So guys, ito na naman. Marami na naman tayong na-collect. So you want to join my vlog? Say hi to my vlog. Hello. My passport still empty guys. I will put this one after the event. Because it's not easy to open, huh? Yeah, I have vlog. I have 10,000 followers on Facebook page. Yeah, say hi. Tell him like, share, comment. Thank you. So guys, we already visit the Peru. We have the prize, and then we reach in Oman. So now we will travel to Sri Lanka and South Korea and Saudi Arabia and ano pa yun doon sa kabila. Basta guys, abangan nyo lang kung anong country pa yung pupuntahan natin. Nagkakagulo na sila guys. So, see you later guys. Okay guys, this is my student in swimming. She's very beautiful. Her name is Zaina. I will not tell her nickname. She will get angry with me. I will tell? No. I know. But the other trainer become last Monday to go there. I said, where is my suso number 1? Okay guys, makihingi naman tayo ng pagkain sa Sri Lanka guys. Punta tayo dito sa Sri Lanka. Let's go to Sri Lanka. Where is the sticker? We want sticker. So guys, we're done in Saudi Arabia guys. Ito na yung naninok natin guys na pagkain. So let's go to Aruba. Muhammad. Ha? Muhammad Abdallah. Hi. Can I have sticker? Yes. Aliyit. Wait, I will switch off my... We are here now in Aruba, guys. So, we have another sticker for Aruba. Okay. See you later. So, guys, tapos na tayo sa kabilang pad, guys. Dito na naman tayo sa kabila, guys. Manggugulo. So, let's go to the other side. And we will ask some food again. And some stickers. Okay, we are here in the next part guys. Yan guys. Kakagulo na naman sila guys. Yan. See you mamaya guys. I will ask sticker for the France. We are here in France. So guys. France, where is the sticker? You want sticker? Who gives sticker on the France? Ate Sonia. Sino ba? Ikaw ba namimigyan ng sticker, te? France? Isa lang. Meron tayong sticker sa France, guys. Wala nga lang silang pagkain, guys, andoon. Binibenta ba yung kape nyo? Yeah, we will ask 1%. Give me one sticker. Madagascar. Yeah, from your country. Okay guys, see you mamaya. Hello guys, tapos na po kami magninok. Ang dami ko na pong country na travel. At saka yan guys, yan, dalhin ko yan. Bumibigay ko lang din yan sa labas sa mga kasama ko sa part-time. May mangga, may dragon fruit tayo binigay ng bata. Then, this, yan guys.
I will bring other side of the plate.
Oh. Okay, that's it for today guys. Hindi ko siya pwedeng ipakita sa inyo lahat kung ano nangyayari yung ganap kasi is not
Hindi ko na lahat. Kasi parang
para hindi magtampo. Kaya guys, ayan yung mga plato namin, punong-puno. Pero hindi ko naman,
tanggalin na.
I don't eat naman that one na.
Pasaway.
See? Because I eat a lot of sweets today. So, that's it for today guys. This is our celebration, National Day. Masalama, like, share, and comment. I will give you 10 stars. Bye!